Hello, dear ladies and young girls. Today I want to share a little story with you. It's about two friends. One girl, very pretty girl with long hair, and the other one, tall, slim, and fair girl. The first friend always admired the second friend's height and color. The second friend admired the beauty of the first friend and longed for such hair. Both the friends never really realized what the other person thought about them. Sounds familiar? Well, that's the story with in most of us. For me too, until I realized. It so happens that we find some desirable qualities in others and wish that we also had them. And it also happens that we start thinking about that quality and feeling bad that we don't have them. Such thoughts could lead to obsessions and finally to some severe level where people think that such desirable qualities are not there in us, so there is nothing in us. This leads to lack of confidence, feeling fear to face the world or try out any new things. Friends, it's the same thing with all of us. Every one of us are blessed with good things. There may be some undesirable things too, but we tend to focus on other people's desirable things and the undesirable things in us. We are all in the same boat, really. But for once, if we just close eyes to other people's good things, we can start noticing our own little gifts. Homemakers, did you know how much your friends admire your cooking skills and wish that they too had this much time to spend with the children and bring them up in the correct way? And do you know how much they admire how clean and fresh your home is? Dear working woman, did you know how your friends admire the way you carry out your daily life managing the work and family? Did you know how many people wish that they were in the similar kind of job that you are in? Dear lady, did you know how people are admiring the way you're able to manage, take charge of the things in your life, control your emotions and thoughts, are able to express them so well and take care of many other things? Dear girl, did you know how your smile is bringing so much happiness to others and the mere presence of you or your comforting words is something that people are looking forward to? We all have certain things that always bring up the best in other people too, but we never realize them because we have simply stopped seeing them. Dear ladies, today I want to suggest one simple task for you. Take a piece of paper and a pen and start putting down all the desirable things or the gifts that you have within you. Everything for which you have been complimented for since your childhood. And in the second column, start writing down the desirable things that you see in others and wish that you have. In the third column, start writing down all the things in the first column which can be improved or made better for uh, better use for the other people. And coming back to the second column, start focusing on the things that those are very much uh, which can't be uh, achieved. For example, uh, trying to get a different color of complexion, or trying to become more taller, or trying to achieve something which cannot be achieved. Please cancel them out and from now on stop thinking about them and wasting your time. And at the same time, you can go through some of the things which could be achieved by some effort, like for example, someone's money saving skills or time saving skills or someone's better management of their mood. These are the things which you can work out for. You can start putting them in the third column and put down the points to which you can improve them. And now you have your list ready about what you can do for improving all the skills or gifts that you already have and how you can acquire the new gifts. This is what I did when I was in college. For example, I felt I was ugly among my other beautiful friends. I never went out with them and I chose to spend the time in library instead. I thought I studied little bit better than them, so why not improve that skill and excel in that? While finally I could excel, that is a different story. But what I found out was neither the beauty nor intelligence was the real thing. The ultimate thing was to realize all your gifts, be comfortable with who you are, improve them, and make them better for the people around you. So I hope that this particular video is very helpful for you to get an insight about one new thing. Try out this particular task and let me know your experience after meditating upon these things. I wish that such video will be useful for you to improve yourself. Have a blissful life.